So sometimes you get a merger that comes in and just gets really excited. It lays, multiple eggs per cell, but not like this, and then you won't have a bunch of them on the side, on your side walls either. So that's what this is, though. This is a laying worker hive. In case you guys never seen one. See all those eggs? Plus, while we're at it, you got a real good view of what a egg looks like too. That little grain of rice. There's tons of eggs just everywhere. So you see a lot of them, like I was saying, on the sidewalls, standing up on the sidewalls, sticking out anyway off the sidewalls of it. That's what it is.